Hi again. I'm going to be using some food today to help explain hierarchies in math. And I got this idea from Mix and Math. One thing that's always been kind of confusing was this statement, all squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. So after doing this lesson, hopefully this will make sense to you. So I have a Dorito here, and I want you to think about the most general name for it that you can come up with. And I think most of you may come up with food for this. And then if I wanted you to get, a little bit more specific, I think you would probably say chip for this. And then even more specific, Dorito. And then the most specific name for this would be the Cool Ranch Dorito. Now I have another chip here, which it could also be considered food, and it is a chip, and it's a Dorito, but it's not the Cool Ranch Dorito. And then I have a cookie, which it would fit in the food category, but not the chip category. And then I have a spoon that doesn't fit in any of the categories because it's not food. So thinking back to the question, all squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. This is a true statement. And, thinking about the Doritos, let's use that to help us figure out why. So all Doritos are chips, right? But not all chips are Doritos. So when we think about rectangles, a rectangle has two pairs of sides of equal lengths. It also has two pairs of parallel sides and four right angles. So hopefully you remember all these attributes of rectangles. But squares also have the same characteristics. So a square is just a specific type of rectangle, just like the Dorito is a specific type of chip. So we'll do some more with this and talk about some other quadrilaterals and other polygons, and just think back to this chip hierarchy to help you with some of the characteristics of these polygons.